Hey guys, Jason with Caltech here. We're going to show you how to remove the back panel on a hatch chicken door to either repair or replace components on the circuit board, or to convert your door to an off-grid kit if you decided to get the solar panel and battery separately. The tools you're going to need is a standard screwdriver, Phillips number 2, and a small flathead screwdriver, and a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. First thing we're going to do is remove the Allen head screws on the back here. That'll remove the circuit board. Some early model doors like this one are going to have screws on the side. An extra set of these small silver screws, you're going to want to remove those. And then all the doors are going to have these black sheet wall screws on the side. You want to pull them. You don't have to pull them out all the way, just enough to remove this cross brace. And then this top should slide down smoothly. You're going to take your battery, and it should wedge tightly in between the wall and that small T. You can thread this wire, and it presses down hard, but if you press down and pull at the same time, you'll lock it into that groove. You can do the same on this side. Lock it into that groove. That keeps the wires out of the way. We're going to pull our circuit board off here. You want to find the power plug. You're going to want to pull that and remove the green terminal block. And set that aside for now. Now we'll take our wires from the battery, and we're just going to twist red to red. And black to black. And we're going to put them back in the terminal block now. Black always goes on the right-hand side. Tighten that down. We'll put in the red, if it'll stay in there. Now we can plug this block back in, flip the circuit board over, slide everything back in, and put everything back together. We just do the reverse of what we just did.